Welcome aboard the Nana's Rest, Illinois Central Caboose, 9671. I'm about to go outside and we're going to see if there's snow out here. Let's see what happens. La ta da da da. La ta ta ta. So, I can't really see, but we're going to find out. Ooh, I hear snow on my porch. And there's snow on my steps. Ooh, it's kind of deep on my little platform. We have snow. Looky here. Well, I hope y'all are getting a good view of this. Oh yeah, that's probably an inch or so. Nice. Wonderful. And my beautiful mountain up there. All right. We like the snow. Well, now I'm on board the Mary Pat, and I'm going to read a book. So I just thought I'd give you a little view out the bay windows here. Just a lovely winter day. And hopefully you can see up the mountain up there. It is a little chilly in here because this caboose is not insulated. So that's one of my projects up and coming, is get this thing insulated. So anyway, looking out across the lovely rolling hills, and then out my new window here. This is my new window. So, yep, we like the little caboose. We like both of them. I'm going to read a book, relax, and then head back to the parish.